It's a bit of a niche industry, the motorcycle industry. We're now the only college in the northwest that deliver this. I'd say this is probably one of the best facilities in the country. I've always been around, I've always worked on it. And it's nice to be able to pass that knowledge on, hopefully pass the torch on to the younger generation. If you walked into a motorbike workshop, this does not look much different. It's laid out like a working garage. And we separate the theory down on the workshop. I mean, sometimes we will use, say for example, when I'm doing demos, I'll use one of the ramps, right, and we get the students down the ramp. So, having the ramps laid out the way they are, the space around, get the students around, they can see me do a demonstration of how to actually do that job. Being hands-on, it's vital for this kind of course. You can only learn so much from a book, or from the likes of watching YouTube or the internet. We teach a lot of transferable skills. Some of them gone to work in engineering. I've got one student who's fixing helicopters at the moment for the RAF. One or two of them have gone on to successfully set up their own businesses.
It's great, we've got stuff here that nowhere else has got really. I've been fixing motorbikes for years, but there's bits that I never knew. Take engines apart, not a problem now. Learning all the fault problems next year. It's great, love it.
You work on anything from here, from a moped right through to the likes of a Honda 5 Blade. That's what you're going to do in the workplace. The kids get a good range of what you can find in a motorcycle dealership in terms of what you're going to work on a day-to-day basis.
There's old bikes, new bikes, brand new bikes, really old bikes, imported ones, off-road bikes, big BMWs, two-stroke engines. It's got everything really.
In terms of some of the products that we use, some of the ones that were specifically got from Machine Mart, the lockers and these pegboards, these come in handy. As you can see, you can lay out the likes of T-bars, right? It's easy. The students can see where it is. If they want to go and get it, they go and pick it up. We also know if they've used anything, it's been put back in the right place. The lockable one's handy for the specialist tools that we use during the day. A lot of motorcycle garages, your specialist tools will be on the wall. So these are great for that kind of thing, and they're good value for money. Right. These have been up for near 10 years now, we've been in this workshop. Every motorcycle dealership will have some form of hydraulic ramp. The two we've used in here, they're great ramps, they're good value for money, and they're quite rugged as well. You can get them to a nice height where that's a good height for working on a motor. That if you're doing an engine strip, you don't really want the bench up too high, because you're going to be bent over in a normal position. So these are nice to work, and we've got some nice features as well, because we can lock them off as well. They're simple for the students to use, and they are rugged. So we get a good life out of these, and they do get hammered in here. Bikes can be on and off the ramps at various times during the day. This bench I tend to use for demo purposes if we're doing an engine strip. Students do use it now and again. It's a good bench this for if you've already got a garage. Because when you pull engines apart, even though you've turned the oil off, there is going to be residue oil within the motor. One of the nicer features with this is it's got its own turn sight, so you're not wasting loads of time with rags cleaning the bench down as you're doing it, because particularly with motorbike engines, everything's got to be clean. Same with, it's got a nice useful drawer for putting engine components in at the same time. It's a useful bench for pulling engines apart on. It's just at about the right height, and they do get used daily. They do tend to hammer the stuff in here, and they're as good as the day we bought.